Hello and good morning from New Delhi. This one, good morning from New Delhi, and this is our live, a special one. Of course, the last of the week from here, and really excited. So, from my face, you can see that, आवाज बैठ गई है, and then, the whole face, we seem like really this, but it was amazing, and of course, pulling off these shows takes a certain effort and time, but it's so worth it. What a fabulous day yesterday at New Delhi. We are here. Today's our last day. We are here at the Claridge's, and it's been nothing short of spectacular, fun, and so good to meet so many of you yesterday. So many new ones and our old clients, and it's always such fun. So my big thanks, big love. But the most important part is you cannot miss coming here today. We are here till 8. It's your chance to get all of these fabulous pieces that we have with us just for you. Okay, Delhi, you have to come and see what we've brought for you. It's fabulous and you cannot miss this chance. Okay, so for everybody joining online, this is your chance also to place your order. Kal ka live is done. Today is the last for this week. I'll see you sometime next week, and we're going to be showing you an amazing set of beautiful pieces. Okay, now what I'm starting out and what is dangling here, okay, that's a certification of authentication for a real zari pieces. You can have all the details there, but what I'm wearing, it's a fabulous pure cotton real zari dupatta. There's so many ways of styling this, and especially all white, all off white, and of course the beautiful colors. But maine socha I'm going to do something really different, which is like I'm going to pop it up with this green today. So it's a fabulous dupatta. I'm going to show you 2-3 more versions of it. Look at that, it's amazing. The price is on request. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं for our suit sets. Just an introduction for many of you joining in, that our suit sets, that's also a real zari piece. That's the certificate, and yes, you have all details provided there, so you can see that, but you'll always have to request us that you want to see that, because these are always not, these are never on display, in fact. And any of these dupattas are of course from a super premium range, so yeah, prices are on request. How are you going to place your order? The orders are going to be on WhatsApp, so everybody joining in online, और अगर आप नए हैं, आप ये देख रहे हैं, मैं आपको एक fabulous collection दिखाने वाली हूँ, and then आप इसका screenshot लेंगे and WhatsApp पे आएंगे और अपना order place करेंगे. And you can get our pieces. I'm going to move backwards to just show you this fabulous dupatta. It's the softest Ektara cotton, and it's a real piece. That's the certificate that comes with it, and you can see, like, of course you can do a purple, but I do think that this whole green thing is amazing. What I'm wearing is our emerald green. It's like our equivalent of wearing a satin gown. Like, of course, gowns look amazing, and this fabric is really good for that. But I would wear all of these pearls, some emeralds, and then just dress this green up in a way. Now I'm doing a same on same. This fabric is available. This is 8,800 per meter, and you can also customize it in any color of your choice. So that can also be done. Okay, the last one, which is in the real zari. This is the piece that you can see. Now you can see it right here. And look at that. We also have a fabulous collection of real zari suit sets. In case you're interested, just tell us. Of course, they are the super premium range. So yes, do make sure that you've asked us the prices and details on WhatsApp. Okay, so do that and no more. And yes, get your certificate of authentication with each one of these pieces as well. Okay, that's your fabulous dupatta right there in front of you. This was from the real zari collection, just for you. Okay, now from that we're going to dive into something that's really loved at this time, which is going to be premium cotton. Okay, you've seen me wear these beautiful premium cottons. कुछ very crisp थान है मेरे पास, which is what I want to show you. Now when I say premium cotton, there is something really special about it. These are made in Karwa weave. Yes, you can see that spot of Meena right there. These are the 6,800 category. We have a range of colors, and I'm going to show you them to you as well. So that's also there. And this is not Chanderi cotton. For everybody's asking, this is, you know, I mean, you have to know what it is. You have to feel it. You have to be able to wear this fabulous fabric. This is with red Meena, and you can just have this amazing one. Okay, now this is my favorite color when it comes to cottons. Okay, but what I also have with me is also what I want to show you actually. Now you can see that this is the fabulous color that you're going to be wearing. It's this perfect off-white color, and iske saath what I'm pairing today for you is an Ektara dupatta, which is like this deep maroon. Okay, so now look at the combination. It's perfection, and that red Meena and pure cotton, and absolutely classy, wonderful, and so good. Okay, so that's there. Now this one, when you see, this is another of our colors. Can I have that Georgette dupatta? You know, the Georgette red, I think it's there inside. It's a Georgette red dupatta. I think I kept it inside. No. You can give me that also. I don't mind that. That's a fabulous dupatta right there. I think मैंने 3-4 dupatte, you know, we have paired it inside something. But it's okay. We'll come to that as we come along. But meanwhile, actually, it's a very wise thing to show you what I'm going to be showing you, because you know, so this is a fabulous peach color, and again, this has got, you know, this pinkish reddish Meena. I could do a pink dupatta, but what I'm going to do is this fabulous, because you know, summers hai, the season is that you want to wear amazing looks, okay, but you're also worried about how it's going to be flowing, how it's going to be feeling you. First things, whenever you want to really dress up, there's no other option than Banarsis, the Neev Banarsis. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a different scenario. Oh, look at that combination. It's just fabulous. It's so beautiful. Our premium Bandhni dupatta, this from a collection of premium cotton, and such a look that's so refined, that's so perfect for the season. I will also show you this dupatta separately so that you can have the full look right there in Karwa, in the finest Bandhni work. This one is for you. Okay, so there you go. Ab iske jo colors hain. Now this one I'm going to show you. This is a very popular color. You've seen me wear it, and it's back in stock, readily available. So yes, you can go for this. This is the color that I wear in this. You know, you've seen me with a plain bottom, and it is now available as well. So there you go. That's the color, and it's really, you know, out to be shipped to you. Another classic one. Iske saath bhi mujhe, you know, I wanted a red dupatta, but you know, the thing and the great thing is that because we are here, you know, and all our beautiful pieces are here, it's really easy for me to be able to make these grand you know, combinations for you. You know what I'm going to go actually instead is for this dupatta. That's fine. I had done the lighter dupattas, but I think आज ऐसा बनता है, मैं वो आ जाएंगे because they're all here, but ऐसा बनता है that I show you some fabulous Banarsi dupattas, and what a combination. Like, look at that. You know, I'm picking up the reds with the Meenas also, but because this looks so good, and these dupattas. So this is one gold color with this red dupatta. Maybe you have a red dupatta, so just go for it. Okay, now look at this fabulous color. We have lots of wonderful color in this dupatta that you can be choosing, but it's just amazing. It's grandness. This is 32,800. okay, and some other colors that are equally nice to wear, and I'm just going to go like this, not probably open, but you know, again, as I said, this is a category you have to explore with us. It's just amazing. Okay, it's amazing at every level. This one, this is, you know, this is how it looks. You're wearing a nice kurta, and I was on the topic that yes, COD available hai pure India mein with a token amount. Of course, the token amount is only, look at, you know, of course, that, you know, there's a surety of your order. You are assured, I am assured. So that's the reason we take the tokens. And of course, none of our orders are changeable, cancelable, refundable, exchangeable. Okay, all of that. But that's our simple policies. We always follow it. But apart from that, you can have all kind of conversations with us. We're very happy to have it. Just look at this this grand fabric. Okay, now what I'm going to show you with it, okay, let's do this. This is my last cut. It's a fabulous Petni, okay, fabric that I have. And you know, it's so beautiful as a kurta. I'm going to show you how, but it's also so amazing as a pairing with this, because if you're wearing this and if you're wearing this grand bottom of this one, I think it's going to also look super nice. Look at that. That's the fabric, pure cotton fabric. What you get in that is this Petni border. मैं अभी आपको, in fact, it's so clean. I'm showing it to you. Okay, Delhi and everybody around Delhi, this is the day for you to be here, for you to be shopping, you know, for you to be enjoying and just like, you know, spending a great day with us. So, you know, get here. We are here till 8. And yes, for the next 3 months or so, for summers, this is our last show in any city. Okay, so yes, this is also an added extension or welcome for you to be here. So look at that. This has a kurta, this has a bottom, or you can be doing, yeah, like the vice versa, but amazing looks and fabrics for us to be going. Okay, from that, I'm going to go to this green dupatta. I'm going to go shift. Let's go to do some beautiful dupattas from here. And then, of course, we do have. So yesterday, we did a lot of suit sets. We did a new launch, guys. Have you seen the new look that we launched yesterday? If not, you have to have it, okay? You would have to have seen our new mull cotton look, which was absolutely amazing, okay? And it's 32,800, the entire look. That look, not this look. This look, I will come to it in just a bit. But jo mull cotton hai, it's selling out fast, and it's like, you know, we feel so happy that you love our creation. So big love for that. Thank you. I think we still have a black, a white, a lavender, and lemon in that collection. Just can I have the full bunch so that, you know, it's clear. Let the whole bunch, just pick it up and get it to me. So we still have these, and you can just kind of place your order. If you're wondering कि मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, I'm talking about this wonderful look that we wore yesterday, and it's still available. So yeah, this is your chance to be kind of getting for it. And I am not opening it. I've shown it to you yesterday. बहुत सारे colors, you know, available अब नहीं है. With the dupatta, yeah, that's the look that I'm talking about. That's what I was wearing. ये कुर्ता है, उसका बहुत beautiful dupatta है, and that's available. Now let's get back to this. This is the most fabulous satin. Can we get the satin fabric? So we're going to get the satin fabric. I'm wearing this stunning dupatta with it, and I'm going to be now showing you the amazing colors there. Like, look at that. Now, you know, one thinks that bandhni bahut traditional hai, but look at how it can be. You know, you can really change your accessories. Instead of gold, wear pearls. You know, wear something else. Wear a satin instead of silk and bootas. You know, leave that, skip that. Wear it like this. The knee way of wearing it. I'm going to show you the satin fabric as well, and it's such a gorgeous way of dressing up your bandhni. So, you know, bandhnis can be really classy, and of course, we're going to help you discover that. Look at that amazing dupatta. और मैं आपको satin भी दिखाती हूँ. This is the satin that I'm wearing. It is available in many colors. You can wear it in different ways, okay? But look at that, look at that. Here it is, this absolutely amazing look. And yes, just take a screenshot and come on WhatsApp and place your order. From that, I'm going to go into some fabulous dupattas that I have been intending to show you. And there you go. So that's the red. Now, you think, can we get the gold satin? I think yes. Now, you think सिर्फ green था, green का look हमने देखा, वही अच्छा था. How about the other ones? Okay, so all of these dupattas, can I have the price of this one? Just let's see what's the price. Okay, now these are all the premium range of dupattas. Everything is like 60 plus, so you can just check. You can just check on the prices, details, but I'm giving you an average range. Okay, now this dupatta, you think यार वो तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये कैसे हम इसको? How do we make gold something fancy, like red something fancy? Well, this is the way. You're going to be pairing up with this gold satin, and it's so fabulous. Okay, like you just cannot go wrong with it. And you know, I would like do some contemporary jewelry, like, you know, those wood ones with gold and something, you know, new, and that would make it look so stylish. So green you can do this gold, and now I'm going to show you, okay? And then you say, you know, I love this is 8,800, I want a green in this, in a gold, can I get another fabric, you know, which is like, you know, maybe a little more lesser, because you know, I heard that I'm buying one mehenga, now I want one, you know, which is a lesser range, how to fit my looks. So I'll tell you what to do. This is a fabulous dupatta, number one. Number two, we have a new gold, okay? So I'm really transition, I'm taking it very fluid this whole live, and you know, going to play it long. I always do a structure, but I always follow your beat and you know, the mood generally. Now look at that. So this is our Chinia Buta, the new gold, 3250 per meter, okay? So you can be doing this as well. It's a great gold fabric to be wearing. Satin ka apna maza hai. But as I said, you want to kind of do a nice budget look in gold. This is a great fabric. It's been doing really well. We have a lot of it in studio. You can still place your order and get it here if you want. So this blue and this gold, it's fabulous. But अब मैं एक आपको पूरा gold भी दिखाऊंगी, and I'm going to wear it like this because I want to show you. And let's show you this look. Now this is an all gold look. This dupatta 24,800. It's really pretty. You can see all of that. I do have some more colors, and so you know, now you can see how we've taken it to a very different look. Where we start, where we end, that's always the fun. You know, I always love it so much. Now this actually, okay, now I have one very fabulous dupatta, okay, and I also wear this another color. I don't know where it is now these days, but I have this very beautiful rose satin. It's a rose, that's how we call it, the rose satin, okay? And that's the another satin that I have. Okay, this is of course the beautiful Ektara dupatta. I did show it yesterday, okay, but I had it today, so I said let me show it to you. Now the reason I'm showing it to you is that you wear something like a satin, you want to wear non-traditional looks, because you know, that's what we are about. You can wear us to lunch, you can wear us to work, you know, chanderi. Agar mujhe top of the head se batana hai, you know, if you're going to work, wear a 10,700 pieces, you know, chanderi cotton, full look, it's amazing, okay? That's really great. Now, you're wearing to a cocktail, wear this green look that I was wearing with that green perfect dupatta, that would be amazing. You're wearing it to a reception, wear something stylish like this, you know, very nice, beautiful dupatta, very, very classy, but, you know, and very red, but you offset it with a rose pink, it completely changes the look, you know, and I could do so many such looks for you. So yes, the idea is that when you come here, you get to see everything together, and especially this fabulous dupatta. Oh my god, how amazing is this? Okay, like super fine. Look at that, this super fine. This is red and pink, and we've brought out our amazing stunning pieces right here online. Of course, everybody who's here could see it, but it's always easier when you see the live and you come here. Now you could be wearing this with this green shade, which I love. Okay, it also looks really good with that red bandhni. So it's a really nice look. Look at that. Can I get this bubblegum pink also? Can I get this pink? Yeah, that top one, yes. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out. I did this. It looks really good. मैं कुछ अलग try कर रही हूँ. I wanted to see. Oh, look at that. It looks perfect. What is this? It's a premium cotton fabric. What is this? Our finest Georgette bandhnis. And look at how perfect it can look, okay? Fabrics, combination and looks only and only at Neve. And this is what you get. You know, you could never imagine wearing such a beautiful bandhni with cottons, but we make cottons, and in such a way. A very beautiful morning to you. Such amazing words. You know, I love you guys because you turn up, you send your wishes, and it really makes my day, keeps me motivated no matter what. You guys are absolutely amazing. Okay, now look at that. Here it is, such a beautiful one. I think it's flawless. It's amazing. But you know, that was just one. Now we'll get into this one. Yes, this another fabulous combination that we can do for you. Okay, first let me show you this grand dupatta. Okay, you can see the movement. You can see how amazing it is. Look at that. Look at that. Here it is. It's just beautiful. Okay, Look at that. Look at the movement. This is from a red bandhni collection. So yes, it's very important. It's very, very important piece of work, because you know how difficult it is to make red bandhnis, and it's just fabulous. Okay. Now let's kind of play with it. We're going to be bringing some another amazing look for you. Okay. And why are we doing so much of bandhni? We do Banarsis of all kinds. We do bandhnis of all kinds. We mix them up. We create looks for you. Everything that you've been wishing. Okay. And I can tell you that the fabrics that we make, the dupattas that we make, are mind-blowing to a different level. You've never seen anything like this. Okay. You have never seen anything like this. So for that, you have to be here. And you, oh my god, look at that perfection of a look. The great thing is that ये fabric मेरे पास काफी है. You're going to be doing a great flary outfit, like a full short kurta and what do you call that, garara and sharara, and okay, I mean, you're going to be able to do so many fabulous looks with it. It's just amazing. Okay. And remember, ये जो looks आप देख रहे हो, we don't create it on the looms. See, it's not possible. Of course, we do some grand combination, but lots of these, we make them separately, okay? They're made separately on different looms at different times. And then they come to us, and then we say that, what is it that we can do for you? What is it that we can make for you? And that is when we do all of this, okay? I will come back to this, but I'm going to go to, okay, let's do some dupattas again. Because, today we're going to be showing you we did lots of suits yesterday, okay? It gives you kind of your whole look on what kind of suits we have done. Again, make colors if you want, just ask us, check with us. This is a Munga silk dupatta. It's light, it's meenakari, it's all things amazing that you must be wearing. It's beautiful shade of purple, so there you go. Okay, no, I have a plan for this one. I will come to it in a bit. Okay, but right now I'm just doing some looks and pieces, okay? And I'm spending time with you guys, because always online first. So mere paas pura, I'm going to take this full another half an hour to cover up all of the beautiful pieces. And then you have to be fast. You have to be able to see these beautiful pieces. And Delhi wale to ekdam fast, please come now. Okay, we're waiting for you. Okay, so yeah, I know many of you jinse hum touch mein hai, we love calling you, inviting you. So all of that is amazing. But agar, 1 second, that for everybody is new, of course, we don't know who you are, but we really eagerly wait for you. So you have to be coming here, you have to be meeting us, and just seeing all of this for yourself. Now look at that. That's a fabulous dupatta. It's amazing. It's a natural color. It's in Munga, and I think it's so amazing. So yes, it is dyeable, but these looks that are so classy, they look amazing. And yes, thank you so much. And look at that, that's a beautiful dupatta. I think all natural, all amazing. Okay, so from that, again, we're going to go into, okay, let's do these cotton suits as well. And yeah, I also have two very stunning dupattas, two really stunning colors in the knee buta, jiska mujhe combination banana tha. And I was making it for a client, and we thought it was so fabulous that we thought that how come we've not showed it so far. Okay, I'm showing you these perfect combinations with bandhni that you cannot miss. Okay, oh, look at that. Okay, that's amazing. Ye dekhiye, now look at that. This is actually a Munga silk fabric, and you've seen me wear it so much. Oh, we will wait for you. Drop in your word. Let's see who all are joining in. I would love to see you guys. So drop in. We're waiting for you. Okay, and this is a Katan silk. This is Munga silk. Look at how perfect the look is. I was saying, many of you have seen me wearing this in natural Munga, but ये उतना ही सुंदर लगता है dye करके. This is 5,400 per meter. It's a fabulous fabric to be having. And yes, such gorgeous looks. Yeah, let's do some alternate combination like this, and like different kind of jo jitne bhi combinations hai, which we want to show, which are like so fabulous. Now look at that. This is knee buta, okay, and Georgette lightweight dupatta. And like, look at this one has a dark green color, right? Look at that. Look at this. This has a dark green color. Just send it across if you see that. I want to wear it on my piece as well because it's a really fabulous dupatta. It comes at a great range. And this is a knee boota. You'll go for a plain bottom, but kitna classy. Bahut, bahut sundar, okay? From that, we're going to jump into the only probably tussar fabric that I have. Okay, and that's this one. Look at that. Oh my god, isn't that amazing? This is actually a fabric. It's not a dupatta, but I'm just showing it to you how amazing it is. Only I think very few of you have it. हमने बहुत बनाया है, but at the end of it, you know, given a demand for it, I think only very few of you got to manage to get the one that I was wearing. It's a beautiful one. ये उसी का एक collection है, and this really nice color that you get. And look at that look. You can see that right here. It's amazing. Plain munga bottom बस इसमें चाहिए, वो हमारे पास ready है, and you will have a full complete look. It will look so amazing. Yeah, so you know, as of course Neve, with your love, with your all the good wishes, as we grow, handloom of course we make a lot of it. We have many looms. Okay, I'm just going to say. I'm 60 to 800. So there are going to be many looms that we have, okay? But at the end of it, for any collection, we make it very limited. That's the whole idea. That we want to keep it limited. We want to keep it fabulous and, exclusive and all things amazing, okay? So, वही होता है कि कई बार नहीं मिल पाता है. And especially stellar collections. I mean, of course, many of them I wear. So, yes, I'm really fortunate like that. Now, look at that. And this is, again, a brilliant combination. What you're seeing here is a tussar, munga tussar, dupatta. Okay, look at that. Here it is. And then you see this fabulous pink georgette with it. And then you take a plain silk bottom. Bottoms, अगर जो ensembles के होते हैं, वो of course ready नहीं होते हैं. I mean, we will do it and send it to you. Like for this one. Because what is an ensemble set? ये जानिए आप अगर आप नीव के साथ हैं, that you can buy like full sets, and we'll come to some of those full sets in a bit. You can buy those, and then you can also say that I like look at that. Yes, look at this amazing piece. Oh, I love it. amazing 3 times मैंने बोला है because one, it's so flowy, it's really lengthy. And guys, okay, one very important thing I want to say, that everybody who's looking for combinations, get your kurtas, get your dupattas, get them with you. I know that you don't realize, you come and then say, oh my god, itne fabrics hai, why didn't I get my kurta, why didn't I get my dupatta? So I'm telling you, when you're planning today, अगर किसी का भी कुर्ता missing है, दुपट्टा missing है, come here, we will do it. Some we can dye it for you, some are ready, तो सब कुछ है, बहुत options है. Don't forget to get it. I'm saying because yes, yesterday at least many of you got it. When we were in Chandigarh, I think we heard it from so many of you that I regret it. I'm just like, didn't get it, and why didn't I get it? So, but yesterday was really good. People got their saris, people got their, of course, kurtas and dupattas, to match. So, yes, when you're coming, bring your combinations that you want to complete. We'll help you. Acha, remember, because I know many of you are here for the first time. हमारे cotton दुपट्टे होते हैं शुरू 10,000 से, cotton suits शुरू होते हैं 10,000 से, Georgette दुपट्टे शुरू होते हैं from 20,000. They go up till बांधनी वाले शुरू होते हैं about 20 से शुरू होते हैं in silks, and then they go to 28,000, then 62, 50s में भी कुछ हैं, उससे ऊपर भी है. And silk fabrics will start at 3250 with bootas with a dye bill, and which are some are dyed also. And then in silks you go to 5,800 per meter, 6,800 per meter, और higher में हमारी range चलते जाती है. In Georgette suits, Georgette suit 30 plus, 40 plus. Premium cottons, when I say premium cotton, I mean pure cottons Karwa suits are all 50 plus, okay? So, and I'm just giving you all of these figures so that it's easy. Look at this fabulous combination, so amazing. Okay, one very popular, very loved fabric, and no one can have enough of it, is our liquid gold. हमने बनाया, true, but जब हमने इसको, we started showing it, we started telling you what it is and how you to dress it, and this liquid gold is amazing. I mean, I know that so many of you just walk down to me, show me your liquid gold. You know, I mean, it's amazing, but the fabric is amazing. That's the whole look. It's gold, it flows, and that's why it's called the liquid gold. And this is just fabulous, okay? Now, and it's also so good. जो आपने सोचा ना कि कौन सा दुपट्टा आपका कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है कहीं भी, you take a liquid gold, it will work. You know, that is how amazing it is. You do a single look at this. Just look at the finesse of this look. I love it. And this is our dupatta, 26,800. This fabric, you'll have to check the price, and you know, so this is a fabulous combination. It's a beautiful Georgette dupatta, pastel look, okay? And if you of course have so no, this season we are not carrying lehengas, okay? We've not launched any new lehengas. We don't have any lehengas left, so we are not doing that. But we do have some fabulous fabrics which are really good for skirts and lehengas, okay? And that's somebody who's asking me, are you getting lehengas today? Okay, yeah. Now, from that, what were we doing? We were doing liquid gold. मुझे liquid gold के साथ 2-3 और भी दिखाने थे. Maybe I'll get, do we have another design of liquid gold that we can do? Okay, we'll get it back again for a different design because वो तो थोड़ी सी है फिर खत्म हो जाती है, so I'll show you one more. Okay, linen fabric, 4,800 per meter. Fabulous as it is, you know, look at that. And then I'm going to show you something very different with it. Okay, so guys, hang on. There's a value addition in every minute, every look that you'll see. So I know that you guys are so busy, and I think, you know, a big thanks for everybody who takes out the time. But you know, for me, it's always making it worth your time. Now look at this. What do you see? Our newest organza dupatta with this lovely, beautiful, very delicate detailing. I love it in every which ways. You can see it right here. Okay, this is a 12,800. Excuse me, sorry for that. This is 12,800. This dupatta, this combination with organza, wear it together, wear it, you know, separately. It's just amazing in every which ways. I also want to, that's just the last cut, so you cannot miss. And this is a dupatta, okay? Now what I've done, we've not done the detailing here so that it's very easy, but we've done it here just at both the ends. It's super nice, super pretty. Motif change होते जाएंगे इसके, but जो ये detailing है ये रहेगी. And you know, of course, when you wear organza and then when you wear pearls and then it's transferred, it looks amazing, okay? So there's no denying with that. Okay, I'm going to take a sip. Hope you guys do have a better, more interesting drink, because you know why I don't drink tea? Because I'll spill it on myself and on all these clothes. So they said no drinking tea, you drink water. I said chalo theek hai, you know, I'll do that. So that's fine. Now what I did want to show you was, you know, yeah, some ombre jo ye the, and I'll quickly do it because I do have one. Okay, look at that. This just gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that look. Isn't that perfection in every which ways? You have to see this dupatta to believe it. We believed that it was sold out. So actually we said it, that was sold out to everybody. And then hame kahin se, as always, ek piece mila, and then we said, oh, we have it. So here is your piece. And you know, I know, but sorry for the bad surprise, but I'm just happy that we still found one piece. And this happens to us, you know, and but I know, so a lot of our seasoned clients say it's sold out, go and check it again once. So I tell my team that's a good thing. Let's go check it again and, you know, just go for it. And look at this. It looks amazing with it. It looks really, really great. Okay, this is one design that I still have in liquid gold. Then I'm going to go, and that dupatta, guys, do not miss. Or this one. Look at that. Okay, just look at the beauty of this. Just amazing. Okay, now with this one, now let's do this. I'm going to do this. Okay, and now look at that. That's also one cut that I have. Don't miss them because they're going to be looking amazing with this. Okay, ek or fabric. I was talking about liquid gold where people really just come and say, do you have it? Another fabric that I have, which is like this, is neem monogram. Okay, and over the years, and I always say this, I'm going to say it quickly, we are so amazed and, you know, always so grateful that you love our fabric, the neem monogram. And yes, somebody's asked me, and I think it's so true. it is so competitively priced, for a reason. We want you to wear our logo because we hardly, I mean, honestly, we hardly make anything on this, but we want you to wear it. We want you to celebrate it. We want you to brand it. Okay, it's like amazing. That's why it's at such a great price always, 5,800 per meter, because I mean, so many of you know our pieces. And I was doing this combination, I loved it so much. This is मूंगा, this is ombre, और अभी तक मुझे इसका एक perfect combination नहीं मिला था इस दुपट्टे का. But when I got this than, and then when I was making it for yesterday, somebody, and I said, what perfection! This color so hard to make, and I know many of you, और तो मैं जल्दी से ये look दिखा रही हूँ because I can see one another dupatta. I want to show it with this, and I was saying this yesterday. No, so many of you have seen me wearing this orange two-tone look. If not, it's one color. And the first time I think we made about 100 meter or so. And uske baad we have made hundreds of meter trying to get that color, and we have never gotten it. And our clients will vouch because they've been waiting for it, and I feel so bad about it. It's such a technical thing to make, and yeah, somehow we are not getting it right. So we're going to phase out that dress. I'm not going to wear it again. But you know how it is. So this is perfection. And look at this dupatta. Why we made it, why we made this as your wardrobe staple. You wear that light, beautiful dupatta. You wear this grand, heavy, gorgeous dupatta. And it's just as perfect with it, okay? So no more details. I have 3 suits that I want to quickly do. And then let's do some dupattas. I want to do dupattas. Yeah, I want to do the bandhnis and, I want to do those. But in between, jab tak wo set ho raha hai, I want to show you these full 3-piece sets, okay? Katan silk, 2 tones, and these are all summer shades, okay? All summer shades that you should be wearing. These 3-piece katan bottom sets are 38,800, and you should be wearing them. Look at that amazing, amazing color. It's so pretty. This mint green, okay? And then I have this color. So I'm just, trying to cover and show you all of these colors ek hi baad mein, so that you've seen everything that you have to see to kind of place, your order right here. Now look at that. That's an amazing, this is like a buttercup yellow kind of a color, and also very, very nice. Great to wear. So when you want to wear silk in this season, you're going to be doing this. You're going to be wearing these amazing ones. Yeah, let's keep the dupattas flowing and coming. We do have some beautiful dupattas to show you. And yeah, there you go. So that's amazing. That's fabulous, because what I'm wearing is now this, of course, satin fabric, which is absolutely available as much as you want. मैंने same on same पहना है, and an A-line silhouette. So like, not an A-line, sorry, this one is a straight silhouette. So this is about 5 meters, but full sleeves hai. I'm not too tall, so that's my 5 meters. For you, you can always check. But look at the beauty of this dupatta, this whole look. Again, so stylish, so wearable, and Banarsis can be for everyone, okay? And now I'm going to show you a fabulous quick look of just dupattas, which are amazing. Mujhe khol ke de de sare, so I'm going to show you just some amazing dupattas, okay, that you can place your order right away on WhatsApp. So everybody joining in from all over the world, and it's such a pleasure just to have you over. We have the most brilliant live happening now, and we also did one really nice look launch and live, all of that yesterday, which you cannot like miss, okay? Because cotton suits and like really rich cotton suits, all of those. Now look at that. Here it is, this amazing dupatta, this purple shade where purple and green make your base purple. We'll do it for you, okay? That's also possible. We are very happy to do it for you. I know that it's been a live where we have been showing you the most amazing things, and so that you really can get it. And look at that, amazing. Yeah, let's do that. You can see this flowy ones, so just grab them, tuck them in, wear them on a lehenga. We have some tissue fabric which are fabulous to go with it. Like, you will not be able to say ki yaar mujhe maine dekha nahi hai. You have to. That's why I'm showing you everything that's there to be shown. okay, are stunning, and isko, there's so much to show that we never get sometimes the time to show our stunners. We've done the rung cuts in a brand new design. You can see all the detailing there. It's absolutely amazing. The feel, the look, all that you've been wanting for. Delhi, make it here today. This is your chance. We are here till 8. We are at Claridge's, Abdul Kalam Road. Yeah, anything else? We are there in King George, which is down. But if you enter, everybody will tell you that niche hai, So they lead you to here. Now look at that brilliant, stunning dupatta. And you got to see it like this. It is our new rung-cut design. You'll see all the detailings, which are perfect, but some more that have been added. It's amazing, okay? I'm going to show you some fabulous dupattas like this in silk. Of course, these are the premium range. Now, now I know that so many of you just know everything about us. It's amazing how much you know. Okay? But it's always a good thing. I say it in a good way. Okay? So, it's great. But if you do not know our price range, you do not know, just take a screenshot, send a couple of pictures and no more. Because that is the best way to kind of, get to know us, Neeb. And yes, now, ek main ekdam alag look karne wali hu, and that is because when you wear a dark color, and then you wear this fabulous white, and then when you, of course, I'm wearing my beautiful, very favorite, mujhe bahut pasand hai, I don't know whether you find it, my South Sea pearls, and I think it's amazing that what you can carry off with pearls, okay? So make sure you have those really nice strings that you can just kind of carry on everywhere. Now, look at this one statement white dupatta. That is fabulous, okay? And guys, I know that you can come after, like we usually hang around and, when we are at the show till 9 or so, but I'm leaving a little early today. So, please make sure that you're here before 7:30. I want to meet all of you. That's the point. The team and all the pieces will be here, but I want to meet you because, I don't want to miss chance that. So come now. Come all day. I'm there around till evening, but come, come 7:30, come catch up your favorite ones. So come fast, okay? Yes, I have some fabulous ones yet to go. And okay, let's prioritize what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing those Munga suit, okay? And yeah, okay, look at that. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. You know what my team is bringing right now? Jo Chanderi suits hain, which are in the 10,700 range, which is 5 meter plain Chanderi and beautiful dupattas with tassels, okay? We have a lot of colors. Guys, have we arranged the color well today? Let's put in the dupattas. Yeah, we have a lot of colors. So many of you said we've come just for that, and we have a lot of colors, some fabulous ones. And yes, hamara, of course, as the day proceeds, sometimes you're not able, but we are all set now. So come now, okay? And come all day. We are here till 8. I'm here till 7:30. So make sure that even if you are dropping in 7:30, just come a few minutes early. I want to say hi and meet everyone. And that's one stunning black dupatta. Okay, let's go to this fabulous piece in Munga. We're almost winding up. Okay, we're almost winding up right there. We have a couple of last pieces. Yeah, we'll go do that. Look at that. It's a wonderful, complete Munga set look. It's just amazing. It comes with a plain bottom. It's perfection. There. From that, yeah, we're going to do that. I'm going to show you this. Okay, our red suit. Okay, I'm going to be wearing it in the day today. Can I get my red suit, please? Okay, so I'm going to wear that. It's on pre-order. And, many of you said, "Are pre-order pe to abhi hum kaise lein?" Pre-order is very simple. Aap ek small amount you can pay us. And then the balance you can pay us later. Okay, so that's always possible. This is the organza suit set. Complete suit set. It's fabulous. Okay, you've seen me wear the signature color in it, which is on pre-order, and it still is. Pre-order matlab ban rahe, list hai, jinka naam hai list pe. Naam kaise aayega? you'll pay a token and you'll get on that list and say that जैसे ही वो piece आएगा मुझे मिलेगा. So we have a series which is working. I'll tell you which look I'm talking about. This one, okay, that's the look that I'm wearing, and it's the most fabulous, the first time ever that we have done an organza suit set, and it's so good. And it's meenakari organza dupatta kurta, and then cotton jacquard with this beautiful border. ये जो है ना वो bottom पे भी है. So it's just very very fabulous. Pick up this, pick up this. ये black में भी है हमारे पास, and I think we have a very nice mehndi green. So we have colors, or you can place your order for this. It's like, yeah, it's doing great. Yeah, that's the green. I'll show it to you. I'm showing you the green because बहुत सुंदर है ये green, you know. So yes, there you go. Here it is. Look at that. How amazing, how amazing. So pretty, right? And जो सबसे इसमें खास बात है that in the cotton bottom, it's a cotton weave bottom, we've also given this border, which is why it is super special, guys. Do not miss your chance to get these in person, okay? Now I'm going to show you something very special is our Ek Tara suit sets. Okay, they're special because I'm trying to get the, yeah, you can see they're special because Ek Tara is this danedar silk, okay? This danedar silk is a very different texture. It's like the texture of cotton but in silk. Malab, not the right way to explain it, but you know, I want to tell you how danedar is because it's not a smooth flat finish like, you know, a regular katan. It's got this dana. I know many of you prefer the flat finish one, and we have the most brilliant collection even in heavy suits. Our heavy most premium katan silk suits start 1+, not this one, this is a little lesser, but what I mean to say is that we have the most gorgeous ones in that. But these are just gorgeous, lightweight, so amazing to wear in this season. The Ek Tara silk, this is fabulous grey knit, so calm, so soothing, so classy, okay? Yeah, let's do this. We've got this one amazing suits area. Let's bring out the suits. एक दो cotton के भी मैं दिखाना चाहूँगी so that we have this very nice new range which was like hot cakes yesterday. Look at that. That's a beautiful silk one with this border. I love it. It looks really good. It's got a touch of green. And it looks really good. Okay. Now from that, yeah, let's line up 2-3 colors. Even the blue is a new one, so I want to show that. Okay, now there you go. This, oh okay, this is amazing. मैं इसको खोल के दिखाऊंगी आपको because I want to do it. I want to show it to you all, whatever is there, you know. I want to feel कि यार मैंने दिखाया है कि नहीं, you know. I want to show you everything that is there so that, oh, look at that beauty, guys. Look at this amazing, stunning silk suit, okay? It is just so colorful, so good. And just right when you want to mood to dress up and you want to, you know, like that's what I was saying, you know, when you're in the mood to dress up, Neve will have and dress up matlab हमारा 980 per meter वाले जो fabrics हैं, you do a lounge wear with it, you're really happy at home, you know, wear them. And I'm really thinking एक दिन मैं style करके दिखाऊंगी उसको आपको. And then you want to do a formal wear, you know, but you're not looking at too much, but something really classy. Wear something like, you know, you're stepping out for a nice lunch, some, you know, day event. This is such a good one. Now these are 26,800 and they're just fabulous. Okay, such amazing colors for you to pick up from them. Look at that. This one, okay, look at that amazing one. Very nice blue. I love this blue and it's so hard to get it right. I always say this, we don't want the school uniform blue, right? So that's not that. That's exactly the reason it's really nice and that, you know, just the sky blue. And of course, classic pinks, jinka, I can never have enough. I don't know about you, but I know, I mean, I can never have enough of pink. So fabulous one like that. इसमें एक design और है जिसका मैं आपको, you know, I can show it to you. This is the design. These are the 26,800, the full sets. They look amazing. They feel good. Okay, I'll do that. I'll just show you that we have these Chanderi ones. Okay, I was telling you, right, कि वो जो suits हैं, बहुत सुंदर silks. Okay, and look at the dupatta. That's the dupatta with. Let's just come closer. Okay, let's hold these. I just will show it to you. ये जो suits हैं, and I want to show it to you, especially for those who are coming in for the first time. And come soon, come now, come tea time, but jaldi aaye, you know, come fast, okay? So look at that. These are 10,700 for 5 meters. This, and you've, you know, if you go on our page, you can see me. I'm wearing it in a brown. I think we are sold out on the brown, but we do have many other colors, and you can of course see the brown. It's hanging here, and then you can place your order, okay? And look at that, this fabulous greens and so amazing, okay? And इसमें बहुत colors हैं. I'm not getting out the pinks and all, but look at that. This is 10,700, okay? So make sure एक तो आप ये pick करें ही. Then you can have this like really nice color, which is, look at that, very nice gold color, जो भी बहुत सुंदर है. You know, you can go for this. इसमें tassel नहीं है, या तो आप बिना ले लें. Of course the price will decrease. You know, it will decrease. It becomes, I think, 8,100. Yeah. So if you are going for this, you know, without tassels, it becomes actually 8,100. So look at that. It's amazing. So yeah, that she's trying to say. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Okay. Now I'll show you one more color in this, because they're so good. You just cannot. Oh, look at that. That's a really nice one. The rustish color. 10,700. So you see what we've done. We started with the real zari dupattas. Okay. Which is like, of course, the epitome of all things great. And then from that to so many different kinds and range. And then we've come to our last. So we are almost coming. This is our starting range actually. We've gone backward. And then we're showing you, ye dekhiye, ek mint color bhi hai. And yeah, I think I did a one live. And then of course, we just added some colors because you guys were like so loving it. Okay, bahut hi sorry crushed hai, but the look that I'm talking about is this one, and that's the dupatta. This color per se is sold out, but of course we'll be able to process your order. I can't show you know how it is, but I thought I just kind of give you a quick glimpse. Okay, one very fabulous, because we were talking, I want to do these two dupattas. Oh ये देखो, इसमें सब red dupattas हमने डाल के रखे हैं. Okay, this one very fabulous blue. Anything but the school blue. Okay, I think kids from this world won't know, but I think I don't know, I'm born in 80s. We used to have that blue school color, not like that. That really nice one. Okay. Now what I wanted to show is, this is really nice 18,800 karwa dupatta. We did stop the design, but as I said, we have some fabulous colors still there, so yeah, you can grab them, and it looks amazing. With it you can do like lighter dupattas. They also look nice, but मेरे पास ये बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा था, and that was also red. Oh, look at that. So you're looking for red in a budget, and it looks amazing, and it feels great, and it feels good. This is a really nice piece for you. Okay, so I want to close with one stunning dupatta. Yeah, we're almost done. Can we get one really stunning dupatta? Yeah, that or anything else. I have 2-3 minutes for me to be able to close. So you can show me any fabulous one dupatta, anyone, not this, maybe anything, you know, just see. You have 2 minutes before I wind up, so you can find the most amazing dupatta in that for me to close. अभी हम बहुत खुश हैं, हमारी सारी इन्वेंट्री हमारे साथ है और हम भी यहीं हैं और सब खुला है. So we are very able, I mean, for me, I improvise as we go along. And it's amazing. Yeah, we can do that, but any color that has to work with this green, that we can do the chokri, a new color, you know, give me the yellow. I mean, give me something nice, okay? So look at that. That dupatta, okay, I was talking so much. This beautiful dupatta, 32,800, it's fabulous, okay? Look at that, it moves like this, it's amazing. It's just really, really good, okay? Next up, इसी का एक बहुत सुंदर कलर है, purple, and I love this as well. Okay, oh my god, look at the stunning colors. Wear plain chinia silk suit if that's what you want. You know, you don't have to kind of take it higher. It's just amazing. I move so much so that I can tell you that these are anything but tough, but you know, stiff, not tough. But what I also want to do is, there was this very nice, you know, cotton suit. Look at that. और ऐसे बहुत सारे fabrics हैं, right? So like really nice fabrics. इसका एक और color है. Like these are, I think, what range are these? 3,800? 3,800. So, you know, very nice. Minimal zari, all resham. And they look so good, they feel so good. बहुत अच्छे हैं, you know. And I'm going to close with not one, but I'm going to close with 2 dupattas. Because yes, they are fabulous. Yes, they need to be worn. And this is the first one. Delhi, okay, I'm going to just recap. We are here at Claridge's all day today. Okay, and last day. So, and you know, I always get, and we get endless calls. The moment we reach back to Mumbai, then we get a call that I'm going to come. Are you there today? And then we just came back. Or when are you next exhibiting in Delhi? And we said, we were just exhibiting yesterday. So I don't want that. Please come, okay? So please come today and make sure that you're here because we love to have you with us. So that's the whole reason why we are here. Okay, next 3 months, as I said, of course, we're not doing any shows in any cities. Okay, we're going to be in Mumbai, okay, for a special reason, but all on that later. And the very last piece that we have for you today is our fabulous, okay, this fabulous grand dupattas that we have so many beautiful options in that you can never have enough. It's our, you know, this is the most amazing, beautiful, grand ones, okay, and they're here for you. So, and yes, most importantly, for everybody online, this is the last live of the week. We'll see you sometime next week, okay? We'll see you sometime. We've shown you a fabulous collection for you to order right away. And, you know, we've done everything from the basics to the semis, to the formals, to the dressy ones, to the everything. We've done everything for you. So get going, place your order on WhatsApp. हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं. आप कहीं से भी order कर सकते हैं. Cash on delivery is available. Yeah, I know many of you, I know from my previous, yesterday, so I don't know so many, but I think they were sending their packs for matching. But anybody who wants to send their stuff with their pieces, feel free to do it. We are in Delhi at Claridge's, okay? So thank you. I will see you and have a fabulous day. Thank you, and I will see you soon again, sometime next week. Bye-bye.